Well, it's the next morning, and I've got to get a hole drilled right in the middle of that little circle we made yesterday. And I'm thinking the easiest way to do it would be if I could put this whole thing, like this board here, not the ring, on my drill press. Which means I've got to take these screws out, and I'm thinking that if I take the screws out and put them back in the exact same holes, it should be in the exact same place. It might be a fraction of a millimeter out, but you know, for what I want to do, it's not going to make a big bunch of difference. Now, I'm pretty sure it'd be pretty hard for me to get them in the wrong holes, because I didn't do this very symmetrical. But just to make it easy, I'll just sort of index it here. Oh, and by the way, this morning I went ahead and I made up this end of my, I'm calling it a compass, but apparently these parts are called something else and I've forgotten already. Yeah, this worked out pretty good. I think that's almost dead on. Okay, now we just put it back. Okay, and there's the one over there with the little X on it. Yeah, that went pretty good. Uh-oh. The screws are right where I want to cut. Guess I'm going to have to take these out, move them in. And to add insult to injury, I broke my pencil lead. Now, how many episodes is this series going to have? Is it ever going to end? Yeah, it'll end. I'm just going to eyeball this. Guess about half an inch or so in. Nobody's going to see the back of the clock anyway. I was just thinking, with all this glue, did I really need to put the screws back? Well, I have spent probably almost 2 sweaty hours rigging up this jig, and it's not quite it's not adjusted. I have to move it in about 2 inches closer to get it, the blade to start. Pretty obvious how it's going to go. Yeah, and it's going on for 2 o'clock. Usually about now I quit anyway, and I start uploading the video that I've edited out onto YouTube, and usually it's ready to be viewed around supper time, sometimes a little later. Anyway, when I was lifting this up onto the jig, I broke a tooth. But fortunately, it's going to be an easy fix. I didn't break it off this way, it just broke the edge off. So I can glue that on, and it's going to be no the worse for wear, as they say. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.